On Monday, OSHA announced more than $986,000 in safety violations for the largest transformer manufacturer in North America. According to the U.S. Labor Department, OSHA inspectors visited Virginia Transformer Corporation's or VTC's plant in Pocatello, Idaho, back in June 2025. The visit was a follow-up after a pair of inspections last year found cranes used to handle heavy loads with faulty brakes and switches. Following the most recent visit, OSHA cited the company for 53 serious and repeat violations with proposed penalties reaching $986,888. OSHA inspectors found failures in machine guarding and providing personal protective equipment or PPE, as well as exposing workers to fall hazards. The company has 15 business days to comply, request an informal conference with OSHA, or contest the findings. Safety has been an ongoing problem at VTC's facilities. According to OSHA's database, the company faced 10 OSHA actions this year, following 4 in 2024. The citations stemmed primarily from health and safety issues at the company's Roanoke and Troutville plants in Virginia. Some were corrected during the inspection, and others were settled afterwards. According to the company's website, VTC acquired the Idaho plant back in 2003 from UST West. The Pocatello plant actually has its own rail line, which allows it to ship more than 100 tons of transformers throughout the United States. And finally, last month, VTC announced expansion plans for its Rincon, Georgia plant, with large production transformer production scheduled to start next month. The company boasts 6 world-class operations in the industry's shortest lead times. The transformer supply chain is a problem for the domestic grid. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory estimates that the United States has about 60 to 80 million high-voltage distribution transformers in service. More than half are over 33 years old, approaching or already exceeding expected lifespans. Replacing them has become costly and time-consuming, as utilities report that transformers cost 4 to 6 times as much as they did before 2022, with wait times spanning years. IAN reached out to VTC and OSHA, but neither immediately responded to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.